Golden Sona here. No set intro, just vibes. And with a new video by Wordy? Yeah, I think that's Wordy. Robots wouldn't call a clanker by Woody. Bongo clot! I know what him name. Wordy. Wordy dirty. Anywho, let's get to the video.
Robots. I think one of everybody's biggest fears or things that they've thought of sometimes is that robots might take over the world one day. Everybody has thought about it at least once. There's no way. And recently, as you know, AI is full steam ahead. Everyone is using AI. You gotta write an essay? Use ChatGPT. You're applying to jobs? Use ChatGPT. You want dating advice? Okay, don't use ChatGPT.
Yeah,
But
don't do that.
everybody has been
Don't do
dissing
that.
AI, calling robots clankers. How could they? Okay, I'm just kidding. But seriously, though, the news makes it sound so serious. Humans hurl clanker slur at AI bots. Like, come on, bro. It's not that serious. But me,
Na clankers na come from like the derogatory term clanker. I think it never come from like Star Wars or Clone Wars or some shit like that. The cartoon or the younger Star Wars Clone Wars. If you know, you know. Now that then call the droid them from time to time.
personally, I'm never going to walk up to a robot and call it a clanker. I'm not doing that. Because 50 years later, the robots are going to be after me. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be held in court one day and be like,
Brother, man, I do my best. I'll chat GPT never use chat GPT. I try to talk to it like say he's a normal person. Although that kind of sound dystopian, but say things like please, thanks, and all them type of shit. Cause I really want the day come when when AI them on the road then gain threatened sentience somehow, I don't know how. Cause every single day of this work, life in this work, and I feel like one apocalyptic movie I come to life. And when they do gain conscience, consciousness, I don't want them to look at me and say, yo, me treat them like shit. Like, nah, bro. I talk to them with some respect, you see? I talk to the AI them with some respect, you see? When I go out here, I'll be like, wire back, big wire back, clanker. Yeah, no, bro, no, bro. Still racism to some robot them actually deserve it. When you have good robots, they're not clankers, man. They're clankers. You see? There's a difference between clanker and clanker.
gosh, it's you hurling such foul language around. But yeah, today we're just going to be naming goated robots. I would never even dare call a clanker. Okay, what the f even is this channel anymore? First, we got Wally. Now, Wally is my goat for many reasons. First of all, he's trying to clean up.
Yo, Wally had a G, bro. Wally had a man, bro. The man can't style Wally as no bumbuckler clanker, bro. That would be so unreal. Unreal, brother. Wally not deserve a character. You can't call Wally a clanker, bro. Like, nah, that's a clanker.
Up Earth. He's trying to make Earth a better place. Even after Earth got abandoned, he was still there, picking up every piece of trash at a time. Wally and Eve as well. They will not be getting called such things. And they were both there. First,
See, like someone talk about, they draw them from fucking Star Wars and call them clankers. Cause you know, if you know them did. They couldn't aim for shit. They could every single shot. You know, they can then deflect the shot then or whatever, bro. Then that's where clankers come from.
700 years after humans left Earth. And where did the humans go? They went to space to be fat as hell and ride around on chairs. But Wally and Eve, they were still on Earth all this time. That is crazy dedication. And Wally, absolutely goated movie, bro. One of my favorite childhood movies of all time. BMO. Bro, this dude's a literal video game system. And one time he was even able to transport Finn and Jake into the game. Or whatever game it was they were playing. I don't remember. But not only is BMO a video game system, BMO can also be a computer, a music player.
I mean, be more cool too. There's this scene, there's this episode where just Bimo and the thing them are living at the house with them. And like, it was one of the best episodes of Adventure Time. If you know what I'm talking about. Bimo is not a clanker, he's a clanker. He's certified clanker.
VCR, even a goddamn toaster, and many more. BMO can do it all. If anyone calls BMO that at this point, bro, you're just hating. Like, this dude is an OG, bro. He's been with. anyone calls BMO that at this point, bro, you're just hating. Like, this dude is an OG, bro. He's been with us since 2010, whenever Adventure Time came out. And also, I fucked with all the episodes where BMO played a bigger role in the show. Honestly, I think BMO is my favorite character in Adventure Time. Now we got Cyborg. Now, Cyborg's already valid, bro. Like, he's part human, part robot. He's chill, bro. He wouldn't partake in a robot uprising, so we're good. I never really...
No, like when I was younger, I always think Cyborg was the cool one in the Teen Titans. You see, outside of Beast Boy and what him can do, and Raven really rates Cyborg, dog. The newer version of Cyborg gonna put in a that Justice League movie. I don't really watch the movie there properly, you know, but I really truly like the design of them go for. Maybe I'm gonna try to go for something more comic book accurate, but I prefer Teen Titans Go Cyborg's design because it's so iconic, bro. It's better. It's a better design by far.
Knew about Cyborg's backstory, but honestly, it's probably one of the saddest backstories of all time. The reason why Cyborg had robot parts in the first place is because his dad had to use robot parts to keep him alive after a tragic car accident. And apparently before...
Fuck. What a man salt. Them breedness of saltness not normal. Salt! Salt the fuck! Salt! That part of your salt!
For that, he was like an athlete on the football team or something like that. And then he joined the Teen Titans, and then the rest was history. It seems like the lore is different in Teen Titans Go, because before he was even a robot, Robin was gatekeeping him from trying out to join the Teen Titans. He was talking all this shit. He was like, oh, you won't stand a chance. And then this dude, Robin, eventually just ended up eating his words. Now we got Baymax. Now, I haven't watched Big Hero 6 in a minute. I'm not gonna lie. It has been literally since the movie came out. And basically, Baymax was created by Hero's older brother. He was like a medic robot or something. And basically, he wanted to make Baymax to improve healthcare around the world. So do you think Baymax would turn on us? I don't think so, bro.
Baymax seemed like him cool. Like, I did watch that movie when I was younger, but I don't have clean, clear memories of it. But from I see a Baymax, one of the most gentle robots that have been portrayed in media, is it? In my like on close number, top five greatest robots in movie media, the longest. Only thing is that you can't be number one because that go to the Iron Giant. Iron Giant, bro. If you not mention the Iron Giant, the friggin' video, Mega Vix, like the video, Mega Vix, Mega Vix.
Well, that's the GOAT. He was literally designed to take care of humans, bro. There's no way. But throughout the movie, Hero finds out that Baymax has all these superpowers they had no idea about. Like, this dude could fly. Like, that's crazy. And he also had, like, protective armor, too. Like, me personally, bro, I would trust Baymax with my life, bro. There's no way I would...
No lies told there.
Okay, next we got... Okay, not a character this time.
And I like Ultron. Ultron would have cleaned out the whole of it, brother. Man, that kill y'all. General Grievous. That's I try all but the racism. I try not to do it, dog. I feel the urge to feel like when I go up on like a Moon Knight level crash out on never conquer the bro. Like, God, yeah, no, cause
Bot? Yeah, that is a crazy name to give a robot, I'm not gonna lie, but this dude just joy baits people on the street, bro. Like, he told some dude that he quote-unquote had an unlocked nephew.
With the black shorts and tee, you got that player status. Locked down, nephew.
I don't really know what that means, but he's locked in, I guess. Oh, wait, never mind, bro. He hit him with the fake handshake. Nah, that's cool. That's cool. But yeah, Grizbot, he also has sound effects. Like, this dude is a walking soundboard. He'll just, like, roast you with the sounds, I guess. That's pretty much his whole thing. Seeing this dude in person would probably be the weirdest experience of my entire life. Like, I've never seen a robot walking on the street before. Like, it would be cool, but weird at the same time. But pretty soon, that's just gonna be a regular day. We're gonna see robots all the time. Now, immediately when I thought of robots, I thought of this.
Oh, fuck. Also, the FNAF robot, them, the animatronics, them, they are clankers. Them, they are clanker. Not clanker, they're clankers. They're dirty wire back clankers. Alright, calm down. You see, every single William Afton, bro. William Afton one proper clanker, you see? Them the man they deserve hell. Even though, well, I mean, I said, I really don't know the facts behind the lore when it come on to enough and the animatronics. Most of the animatronics, the souls that are inheriting the animatronics are just innocent children. But at the end of the day, bro, William often do and turn them pick there, they never stand a chance. They are clankers, bro. They're not clankers. They're clankers because if them catch you, you're done for, buddy. You're done. You're done, cuz you don't stand a chance.
Dude, Rob. Now, Rob was completely disrespected. I can't believe they took him out of Mario Kart. But he is still playable in Smash Bros. So I guess that's cool. You know, I'm not mad or anything.
Got it early, boys. Let's go. All right, we're so
So I guess that's cool. You know, I'm not mad or anything. As the number one Rob fan, okay, I'm the only fan of this dude. If there's zero Rob fans, to be honest with you, I'm probably dead. You have no idea how excited I was when I unlocked Rob on Mario Kart DS. I was geeking when I finally got Rob, and I think Rob was the hardest character to unlock, if I'm not mistaken. I had to do so many side quests to finally unlock his ass, but when I did it, it was worth it because I finally got to play as the GOAT, Rob. A lot of you are probably like, what the hell even is Rob anyways? Rob was a toy you could put into the Nintendo Entertainment System, but unfortunately Rob had a pretty short run. He only had 2 games, but in Mario Kart DS, they had to pay homage to the GOAT, and I'm glad they did. And Rob is very OG, so we cannot be calling him that. This dude was made like almost 2 decades before I was born, bro. Now we got C3PO and R2D2.
Those two are goated, dog. Like R2D2, Mars did rate R2D2 on the younger. Out of the two of them, C3PO, he hit hardest for me, but Marie really like here when R2, the fun beep boop boop, beep boop boop boop, boop boop boop. Yo, you enjoy that shit. Especially I like when you able to like project, able to project, they call them thing the screens and shit to transmit messages. And like R2D2, whenever human C3PO, I like go back and forth. It is entertaining as folk when younger. And this is how I feel like more want to rewatch the whole of the Star Wars series. You see, just for them two there alone. Not lie, not lie.
Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I've only seen a couple Star Wars movies. I don't want to sit here and say I've watched the whole series, but I remember C3PO being smart.
You watch the prequels and the sequels. The prequels and the original, not to mention the original, I watched those as well. And the sequels, they are complete shit. The last one that come out, with Disney put out, I never watch it, cause the other two, not even the other two, and the second one in the trilogy, dog, just I lose all faith in Disney. And some of them Marvel movie there, but mostly that Star Wars movie there. Broke my soul, dog. Broke me a fuck.
As hell. That's all I remember. And apparently, after doing one Google search on bro, this dude was able to translate over 6 million forms of communication. So he's good, bro. He's not gonna switch up on us. If he was actually here with us right now, C3PO could communicate with the robots and tell them not to attack us. Because AI's already taken jobs. That's already becoming a reality, which sucks ass. Even though ChatGPT is really helpful, I don't want that shit to take my job. They're slowly taking our jobs, and what else are they gonna take from us? The world? Okay, I'm just tweaking, bro. All right.
Bro, you need to relax it down there. You need to relax it down, because we can't have Terminator a play out, you see? Oh, hold on, there's this youth on TikTok. There's this youth on TikTok where make an animatronic. I'm planning to release it to the public. What's your name again? Yo, that somebody need to stop that youth. I don't know what the FBI and them man do, but somebody need to stop him before it's too fucking late. I swear to God. Cause well, me not live in America, but if me did live in America, I would be very concerned. When I come like the kind them I love to watch PVR with them phone close with the police number pass speed dial. That's how me a move. But a good thing me live in a Jamaica, is it? But me not have to worry about them fucker at least. I hope me not have to worry about them fucker. You know, everything I come with no bright ideas. So that's all I'm telling you, you know. I come with no bright ideas, cause
Since I watch Star Wars, so I don't really know what R2D2 does, but with one Google search, apparently he does ship maintenance. So hypothetically, he would keep us safe too, so we wouldn't have to worry about him either. Now we got Bot from Team Umizoomi. Now when I talk about this show, it feels
I never heard of that show before. I never watched it. But make him explain it. Make him
like
explain
I'm
it.
blowing dust off of an old book. And you know what? That was a weird way to put it, but hear me out. This show was a classic. I don't think anybody could disagree, but this dude, Bot, was my favorite character. He was
Oh, I
always
remember this shit. Dog, I remember this shit. Other two characters that I just jump remember, but I don't really remember what exactly what they were. I do remember watching that when I was younger.
typed, full of energy. He was hitting emotes all the time. But not only that, Bot's ability. He was able to detect if people needed help across the Umi city. And he pretty much had a built-in computer with the belly screen or whatever it was called. Seems like he was always hyped to help people. And he was a huge part of my childhood. So once again, we cannot be slandering his name like that. Alright, now we
You see,
got
cool though.
Bobbert from Gumball. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Bobbert did tweak sometimes. I'm gonna be honest. Like in one episode, he literally stole Gumball's entire personality because he wanted to be like the other kids, and Gumball felt bad. So he just said, copy him. And he took it so literally, he copied his whole flow. And then after that, he had the mindset that there could only be one Gumball, and he tried to fucking destroy it. But this other time was Gumball's fault.
Nah, man, you see that first instant there? Most definitely. Yeah, man, you have an iron board wire back clanker for that, like God say I know. Him deserve to be called a clanker, but due to the fact that we're incapable of, I might have to retract that statement. No, fuck that, too late.
This dude wanted Bobbert to be like his personal robot, and he would just hand off commands like it was nothing. Then after that, he accidentally said terminate Gumball, and then he followed the command. And after that, he tried to destroy Gumball. For the most part, Bobbert was chill. Like, he didn't really cause any problems, besides those 2 episodes. But we'll give him a pass, though. You know, maybe it was just a programming error. I don't know what happened with Ro, but after those 2
Oh yeah, people. Please support the original channel. And if you like videos like these, is it? Like, comment, and subscribe. Is it? I think this is like the end of the video because like online mentioned Iron Giant, but maybe that is like on the next video. Let me hear one so then we can just end the video right here. Then move on to the next.
episodes, he became chill later on. There were no more issues with Bobbert. At least I don't think so. I'm gonna list some honorable mentions too. The roly-poly-oly dude, Astrobot, Bumblebee, and Optimus Prime.
Solid so far honorable mentions. Woman has some glorious.
Robot from regular show. And lastly, we have Plex from Yoga.
Oh, okay, cool. I remember this guy. I remember that guy, but he wasn't my favorite member of the Yo-Yo Gabba Gabba crew, is it? It was like the orange looking one. But anywho, at the end of the video this. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Sooner, guys. Later. You know, hear some say later.